name is Richard Cheruyot. I'm currently the director in charge of monitoring and enforcement at WASREB.
I'm Brenda Anzagi. I'm the manager for ICT within WASREB.
My name is Andrew Wanyonyi. I'm the senior internal auditor in WASREB.
My name is Daniel Karanja. I'm an ICT officer in Water Services Regulatory Board.
One of the key things that we are trying to address is being effective, being an effective regulator.
So what the IMS will do, it will make us more efficient and effective.
The system comes to make everything fluid, run very well. Yeah.
As an organization, we align ourselves to the mainest, the SDG 6, to provide services, reliable water and sanitation services.
The primary beneficiaries of this system is both our internal customers, who are the WASREB employees. We have processes that deal with employee relations, leave applications.
I visualize our Chief Executive Officer looking at the dashboard and knowing exactly what is going on at a glance and monitoring each of the tasks that we've been assigned.
So we license the water service providers, and for us having an online platform that the water service providers can log in, make the applications, and even make payments for the application process is a very critical milestone. We have the tariff process that is regularly done for the water service providers. So one critical challenge that we've had before is really for the water service providers to be able to make applications to us, be able to submit those documents to us. And in certain cases, these are several documents that are in certain cases very huge documents. So we are seeking to ensure that this process is efficient and it is seamless for the water service providers. Of course, you're also saving in terms of cost because they don't have to really provide hard copies of the documents for submission to WASREB.
We are going to save on the overhead costs of a lot of items in the office like paper, lost documents.
I've been involved in licensing for long. When you look at the whole process, the end of it is usually where you have to do the document, you need to give them a license certificate. I'm sure with this system, what we are aiming to see at the end of the day is that if the WSP are able to apply the license, they are getting notification, they can see the process where it is. But from the system, they could know this is where we are. The process now is awaiting approval. And when it's approved, I know the system will be able to give them a certificate where they can download and then they're able to say, here it is.
We have a module for inspections. And we are now, when we send inspectors out there to see what the water service providers are doing, then we're able to, right from the start of the inspection process, send notifications from the system, capture findings within the system, and even schedule our inspections with the water service providers.
The form for planning, it helps us organize ourselves in terms of the activities we'll do for the entire year. In the past, we used to do it manually in an Excel document, but having the system enables us to feed in the components and have the output presented in a report, which is very convenient. The important thing about the appraisal, it makes it easier to fill in the appraisal. In the past, we used to have to collect all the data for yourself, what you've done, the achievements, and fill in a form. But right now, it can pick the achievements directly from the system based on the tasks you've been appointed and how well you completed them. And it just makes everything much easier.